before they pass. And it has nothing to do with casinos or, hunting too often or whatever else. I mean, it has mostly to do with long-term care for people who've built and worked and saved, right? I mean, that's what happens to them. You can, you can keep your money safe if you want to. That's fine, and that's good. I have no problem with that. I think you should, right? You want to make sure that your money does last as long as you do, but at the same time, you've got to recognize that the big problem is not probate. The big problem is not getting stuff to your kids. Is a problem. I sort of a problem, but there's things that can be done for that. The biggest problem is making sure that there's anything left for the kids, which there won't be, because if you wind up in long-term care, 70% chance, according to the government, and it just goes up the older you get. That's at age 65, you have a 70% chance of needing 3 years of long-term care. Look it up. Longtermcare.gov. It's right there. I'm not making this stuff up.